Back once again with your SkyWatch weather forecast. Let's start off by taking a look at the temperatures around the state. Today, we reached a high of 72 degrees, mainly cloudy skies all day. Started to break up there at the end just a little bit. I saw a hint of sun. Did you catch a little piece of that? Hope you did, because we're not going to see too much of it for the next couple days. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at what we're seeing right now. 65 here in the capital city, 62 in Rock Hill, 65 in Greenville, slightly cooler in Greenwood at 61 degrees, and we're seeing mid to upper 60s along the coast from the Grand Strand all the way down into the low country. Fairly mild temperatures for this evening, and it's not going to cool down too much. In fact, our overnight low about 61 degrees. But let's go ahead and take a look at a couple factors that are playing into our weekend weather pattern. First of all, you're going to notice that tomorrow is much warmer than today, and that's because the jet stream traveling well to our north, so everyone on the East Coast will be enjoying a nice warm-up for Saturday, and that's going to change very quickly when Sunday rolls around. Now here we're watching a few areas of low pressure, all of them with trailing cold fronts, few warm fronts associated with two of them toward the south, all of this traveling toward the east, bringing a lot of moisture with it. Now here's what's going to happen. These two areas of low pressure are going to be gathering moisture and energy from the Gulf as they track through the Gulf Coast region, and that's going to spark off storms in our area beginning tomorrow afternoon. It'll start off with some showers. By tomorrow night it is going to be heavy duty with lots of rain coming down, and that's going to continue into our Sunday as well. So once again, the forecast, as you can see here, for the entire East Coast will be a lot of moisture, a lot of precipitation. As high pressure drops into the center part of the country, you can see things will remain very dry there. All of that will be traveling east as well, so this is what it will look like for us next week. But we do have a couple days of rain to contend with, which we badly need here in the area. As you know, not quite drought situation, but certainly dry, so we could use the precipitation. Let's just alter our plans for the weekend and bring them indoors, or at least grab an umbrella as you're stepping out. Lots of cloud coverage for today, starting to break up a little bit, so we're left with partly cloudy skies this evening. We're going to start out with partly cloudy skies tomorrow morning too, after a pretty mild overnight low, 61 degrees. Now by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, you could see some surface moisture building, so watch out for some fog if you're up and about kind of early, or maybe out really late, depending on which way you're looking at that. Later on in the day, we're going to see showers developing in the afternoon, warmer temperatures. 82 degrees will be our high for tomorrow, and our extended forecast, as you can see, shows plenty of precipitation. Now what you can't see here is that the bulk of this, the heaviest of the storms, will come during our Saturday overnight hours. Starting off with showers tomorrow afternoon, it's going to be very wet during Saturday night into most of Sunday, 60% chances of rain existing there. By Sunday evening, it should start to calm down just a little bit and dry out, and then we see the sun coming back out, temperatures going, well below average actually, upper 60s with a lot of moisture on Sunday.